We've always believed that to deliver the best traffic product, you need the most sources and the most diverse sources.
We are basically blending the probe data with our existing sensor network, together also with incident data when it's available, and historic patterns data too.
The value of having a combination of all of these different sources is the reliability of the NAVTEQ solution.
We'll provide traffic products in Germany, United Kingdom, France, Spain, and Italy.
Beyond that, we've begun to focus on the so-called BRIC countries: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. These are high-growth markets.
There are a number of stakeholders that are interested in how this works.
NAVTEQ has a wonderful set of customer relationships, working with all the leading car companies across the country, even the world, and also increasingly cellular telephone companies.
So this is a very new and exciting partnership which involves UC Berkeley, the Departments of Transportation, California and Federal, and NAVTEQ and Nokia.
Nokia has almost 1 billion handsets in use on this planet today.
1 billion, just a mind-boggling number.
That's almost 1 out of 6 people alive has a Nokia handset.
The increased number of probe devices will give us a very scalable way of getting flow data in multiple markets across the world.
By having probe data, we're able to elevate the quality on a larger portion of the roadway network.
We're scaling at an incredibly fast rate already in the countries where we offer probe, and so we see that exponentially going up.
What NAVTEQ focuses on is probe sources which give you high volume in terms of number of devices and also high reporting frequency.
NAVTEQ already sources the most commercial probe data of anybody in the industry, but now the next era is when we move to consumer data.
Consumer probes are typically on the roadway when consumers are traveling, whereas fleets typically try to get on the roadway after the morning rush hour and try to get off the roadway before the evening rush hour. One of the principal algorithms we use is a path-based algorithm, which is basically calculating information at different locations and then determining the path between those locations.
Pathing allows us to evaluate multiple points of data in relatively quick succession to understand the relative speed and direction of that probe point. That gives us richer data, higher quality data.
So this moves beyond simple averaging of GPS data points to stringing together data points into a path that vehicle is likely driven.
Traffic Patterns is a historical traffic product which is the result of the amalgamation of millions of data points from probe sources, from sensor sources.
The next wave of products, which we call predictive traffic services, when combined with the historic traffic model, will make a prediction of what will happen 10, 15, 20 minutes down the road, even up to a few hours down the road.
We're trying to give the most accurate information there is based on the best data there is.
Whatever it may take to collect that traffic information, that's our job to deliver it to consumers.